welcome back to Just a Little Kick, where I teach you how to make easy restaurant quality meals at home. Today I've got a special treat for you. We're going to be making peach cobbler. It's a part of my Thanksgiving series and your guests are going to absolutely love it. Let's get started. Quick, let me just show you what I've done so far. All I did was melt 2 sticks of butter in this casserole dish in the oven. Okay, so my recipe, let me just tell you, is a double batch, okay? Which probably most of you will be using a double batch recipe anyway for Thanksgiving, but if this is just for you and your family, just so you know, this is a double batch that I'm gonna show you. So, we did that. We are going to mix up our batter here. I'm gonna tell you what I have in here. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Let's whisk that a little bit here. And this recipe is adapted from my grandmother's recipe. She uses self-rising flour, but that is not something that I typically have on hand. So I just use all-purpose with a little bit of baking powder. Okay, we're just gonna put just a little bit of salt in here. I would say probably about a teaspoon or so. And then we're gonna put this pumpkin pie spice. Stay with me now. Pumpkin pie spice has cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, ginger, and cloves. So it just gives it a little bit more flavor instead of just using only cinnamon. So we're just gonna sprinkle that in there for some flavor. Okay. And you want it to be flavorful, so. Ooh, it smells so good. Those cloves and that allspice, cinnamon. Okay. And then I have 2 cups of milk here. All right. We're just gonna mix. It is gonna be like a thick kind of batter. And the thing is, it almost works like magic. Like you're only gonna pour this on the bottom, but the crust is gonna rise to the top. So you're gonna have crust on the bottom and on the top. It's amazing. Okay, you want it to be a thick, almost like a pancake batter, okay? And we're going to be using 2 29-ounce cans. Let's see if you can see that. 29-ounce cans of the sliced peaches in heavy syrup. Okay, we don't want to get the ones in juice. It just doesn't work the same. I've tried it before, it does not work the same. Okay, so we're just gonna pour it over. So you pour the batter directly over the butter. And then you're just gonna add the peaches on top and do not stir. I know it's very tempting, but do not stir. We're gonna bake this in a 350-degree oven for 1 hour. And of course, this also would work with other kinds of canned fruit. If you like, I don't know, cherries, blueberries, it'll work all the same. You're just gonna put that on there. Whoop. Okay, 1 can, and then here's the other can. You see how quick this is. Literally, if you're looking for a last minute kind of Thanksgiving dessert, or you know, you're running short on time or whatever, go ahead and make this, because it literally doesn't take any time. It takes, you know, about an hour in the oven, but as far as preparing, And I'm not like gonna speed this video up or anything. I'm just talking to y'all live so you can see how easy and how quick it is to prepare. All right, we're down to 1 more peach now. Where should I put it? Where should I put it? Yeah. put it there. Why not? All right, I'm gonna show you a close-up real fast of what. That's what it looks like. Don't be concerned that there's no crust on top. That batter will ride. All right, look at this, you guys.
Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind.
Now, I told you that crust was gonna be on top. And hopefully you can see that. It's on the bottom as well. So, super good. It smells amazing. How easy was that? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, so you see the crust is on top and the bottom. That's what I was showing you earlier. We gotta take a bite. Let's just dig in. I put some vanilla ice cream with a little bit of a sprinkle of, or a dash, I should say, of the pumpkin pie spice. You don't have to do that, but, look. You hear that? Ooh, that crust. Ooh, it's hot. You see that steam? I don't know if you can see that steam coming off of there, but it's hot. But I do not care because I want some, so get a little bit of the ice cream in there. Some peaches and the crust. Cheers. That crust is seriously delicious. This is so good. I like that little crispy topping right there. But on the inside, it's still very soft and tender. So the whole thing is not crunchy. It's just the topping there. And it is so good, you guys, seriously. Okay. So I'm gonna eat on camera. Okay. You guys have to make this the easiest dessert you're gonna have for Thanksgiving. Not our sweet potato pies and our cheesecakes and all that. This is the easiest one. You will not regret making it. And if you do, make sure you tag me over on Instagram at JustALittleKick. I would love to see how yours turned out. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button down below and then click the bell because I've still got some more Thanksgiving recipes coming your way. All right, I'll see you guys back here soon for more food. Bye-bye.